Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sazon, and since today's Halloween, I'm making some Halloween stuffed bell peppers. This recipe includes mozzarella cheese, ground beef, chili powder, black beans, ground cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano leaves, black pepper, salt, orange bell peppers, and fresh rice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a saucepan, pour in your can of black beans, turn your stove to medium-high heat, stir for 10 minutes, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. In a skillet, cook your ground beef until brown, then add a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of ground cumin, half teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, and a quarter teaspoon of oregano leaves. And don't forget to add half a cup of water, stir it, and let it simmer. Next, add 1.5 cups of rice and combine it with the ground beef. Then, add the cooked beans so we can let the flavors dance together. And most importantly, add as much salt and pepper as you like. From here on out, it's all about eyeballing. Now, carve your bell peppers into jack-o'-lanterns, take out all the seeds, infest the bell peppers with the filling, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese, put the tops back on, then bake them for 30 minutes. Also, make sure to let them cool for 15 minutes so no one burns their mouth. Also, if you're wondering how to say Halloween stuffed bell peppers in Spanish, it's pimientos rellenos de Halloween. Alright guys, the Halloween stuffed bell peppers are done. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, nice and steamy. The cheese is melted already. And they're already cooked. I'm gonna try it now, I won't cap. Honestly, I don't even know how I'm supposed to eat this, but we'll see. Oh my gosh. Now, this is good. Yeah, this is actually a good appetizer for Halloween. Like, if you're having a Halloween party, you can bring these as an appetizer, and But these pretty much kind of taste like a taco, but inside of a bell pepper. That's the funny thing about making these. And a lot of people have never heard of these before, ever. But yeah, this is a good TikTok recipe. And I'll be honest with you, two things I could have added to this were probably mushrooms and onions. Question is, why didn't I think of that? But these, underrated. That's all I gotta say. I can taste the cumin, I can taste the onion and garlic powder, chili powder, and the beans too. This is actually some good Mexican food for Halloween. I'll tell you that for sure. I really like the cheesy flavor. I like how I put like the beans and the ground beef together. Really gives it that salty flavor. And I put the rice in here too. Good combination. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and happy Halloween!